Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video it's going to be an unboxing and we're going to take a look at a brand new paint gun the Spraygunner came out with. Let's begin. Here we go. Let's start with the unboxing. Let's open it up. Let's see the contents. There you have it. This is a KR731 X.R.P spray gun from Spraygunner, no name brand. Now you might say, congratulations, Faraway, you got yourself another paint gun with your name on it. Perfect. But wait, there's more. Yes, there's more. Now this style of paint gun, you can get it simple with no design or anything, or you can have it your own way. You can create your own design and you can have a personalized paint gun for you. Okay, let me go to the computer real quick and show you the price and show you where all the specs, so that you can see that not only Faraway can have a custom made paint gun, you can have your own with your own logo, with your own name. It does come with your cup and it does come with your tools to disassemble, clean it, and all that. You also have your manual, but there it is. It's a brand new paint gun by Spraygunner that you can customize yourself. What better paint gun to have than a personalized paint gun for you guys? And I'm not trying to sell this paint gun. You know that I love the no name brand. I have this one also, the Z gun Wish. It sprays like a $1,000 spray gun, guys. 1% of what this gun costs. So you do know that I like the no name brand. Now you can have yours. There it is. Beautiful, beautiful gun. Real nice feeling in the hand. And get yourself one, guys. Well, there it is. That's a quick unboxing of the new paint gun from Spraygunner. So the X.R.P spray gun. There you go. You saw the price. You saw where you can get it. Hit them up. Hit Spraygunner up. Tell them Faraway sent you. and you won't be disappointed. The next video, guys, I'm going to show you how it sprays. Let's test it out. All right, guys, thank you very much. I appreciate every single one of you. I want to thank every single one of you guys for following my YouTube channel. And have a great week. Have a great Easter. And like always, God bless.